Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI index, and also SSIS. Now we'll go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have prepared the script for today's video purpose. So we'll try to go through the step by step. So in this table, I am using ID, name, gender. So for the employee table, I am using 3 columns and this is the sample data. So first I will try to execute and we'll see that. So just click on execute. So table has been created successfully. Now this time we'll try to insert sample data. Just click on execute. Okay, rows also inserted successfully. Now we'll try to fire a select statement and we'll see data whether it has been inserted or not. Select star from emp. So just click on execute. Now you can see that we have ID, name, gender. Okay, so now the requirement is, so in this table I want to display the output. So for every male record, so female record has to be the next record. Okay, so here I have male record 1, Avi, gender is equal to male, but the next record has to be, so 4, Lakshmi, female. So for every male record, so female record has to be followed. Like that I need to display my output. So what to do? So we'll try to see that. So for that I'll write a query. So first I am taking the CT with, so male CTE, select star from employee where gender is equal to male. Okay, CT as, so now we can call CT select star from male CT. So now it will work. Yeah, so we are getting the only the male record because in the where condition I have specified gender is equal to male. So along with that I want to generate the row number for a male records. For that I need to use the rank function, row number over order by gender, so DS. So as male rank. Okay, so I'm just giving one more column, that is row number function I am using, so over order by gender. So this time we'll try to see what will happen when I execute this CT. So just click on execute. Now you can see that we are generating the row number for each row, 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, so far so good. Now again I'm trying to create one more CT by keeping comma, female CT as select from employee table where gender equal to female. Okay, star comma row number over order by gender descending order as male rank. Okay, so again I'm generating one more so column by using row number function, but here in this case the only difference is in the female CT I'm just using gender is equal to female, where the male CT I'm just using the gender is equal to male. Okay, now I'll try to fire a select statement, select star from, so male city, so union all, select star from female city. Now I'll try to execute this one. So first let me arrange the query so that we can see clearly. So just execute it. So now we are getting, so this is the gender employees, this is the, so this is the male, this is the female employees. Now as for our requirement, so our requirement is every male record, female record has to be followed, but so far it's not coming our output as we expected. So for that we need to do the small changes. Okay, we'll do that. Order by, so male rank, gender descending. Okay, we'll try to execute. Now we can see that, so for every male record, female record is there. So first is male record, after that female, again male record, again female record, again male record. For example, if I insert one more record also, again it will work. So okay, we'll test whether this code working as we expected or not. I'm trying to insert one more record, 6. So this time I'll execute female record. So Pavani, just try to execute it. Okay, one row affected, that's good. If you want, you can check the data also. So 6 records are there. Okay, so now I'm trying to execute a whole query and we'll try to see that whether it is coming or not. We'll try to understand. Just click on execute. Now we can see that first record is male, after that female, again male, female, male, female. So what are the query we are written? So it is working as we expected and we are getting the expected output, right? So sometimes there are cases we need to display the data like this also. So that is the reason I am creating the video. So I think that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.